Now I've hopped inside the cockpit. Now this is a double DIN conversion, and what that basically means in the Defender is you move the row of switches from the top here and you relocate them to the right hand side here. Now back in the day we used to use screens that used to fold out, but the problem with those ones, and also the big floating style screens, unless you use this double DIN fitting kit, your very handy and safe hazard switch gets blocked by the screen, which isn't ideal. So with this conversion, you've got all your buttons extremely accessible with your left hand right here. Now starting from the top, the buttons that you have to relocate is a hazard switch, you've got your fog light, you've got rear wiper, and also the washer, wiper washers. And then what we do in the bottom is a nice little cutout here designed for, well, whatever you want in, to be fair, but we've put a USB-C flushed connected to the Kenwood, so the customer's got a handy charging port just there, and they've also managed to retain their cigar socket, because sometimes we can change this for USBs, but the customers wanted to retain their cigar socket for, you know, portable fridges and whatnot. Now let's turn it on so you can actually see what it looks like. One thing I haven't got round to doing yet, which I'll do in a minute after this video's done, is I will put the Land Rover logo on this rather than the Kenwood logo, so it will come up with a Land Rover logo for us. Let's wait for this to boot up. Let's get rid of the disclaimer. I'm going to show you the cameras first, because that's pretty much what the the most important feature that this customer had added. So we're going to put it into reverse, and then what's going to happen is the rear camera is going to automatically come up. Front camera comes up when you take it out of reverse, and then it'll come up automatically on the front like that. And you can see just about what we've got. We've got the just top of the number plate there. And I'll put it back in reverse, and that will take over, and you can see the Audi's behind. You can see really far, and it's got a great viewing angle. And what you can also do, if you're not in reverse, you can actually push the camera button, and the front camera's the rear camera will come up, and you can also select the front camera. And what it will do is it will remember this setting. So if we come out of this and then we push the camera button now, it will revert back to the front camera. So the customer can use the front and rear camera when they're not actually in reverse as well. We've got DAB radio, as I mentioned, which is on DAB right now. I'll turn that down so I don't get any copyrights. This has got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly, so no need to connect your phone to it via a lead. You can do via this unit here, but otherwise it is a full wireless Apple CarPlay unit. But yeah, you can agree, they do look nice with double DIN conversions. I'd recommend having this fascia fitted even if you want the 9-inch or 10-inch larger screens as well, because it saves having any, like I said, buttons being blocked by the actual screen. So, but yeah. I'm going to finish it there because customers are going to be picking it up very, very shortly, and I had to get this video done. So we'll see you soon. It's Connor in front of the camera, Connor holding the camera, and all the team at Kleis Car. We'll see you soon.